Here we'll learn everything about woodworking from beginner to advanced level. So let's start without any delay. What is carpenter? A person who makes and repairs wooden things known as carpenter. Basic things need for carpentry: 1 good hand skill, 2 good measuring skill, 3 hand tools and power tools, 4 most important a good mindset. Name of hand tools: 1 chisel, 2 hammer soft and hard, 3 hand saw, 4 tri-square, 5 measurement meter, 6 pencil, 7 hand planer, 8 file, 9 marking gauge etc. The basic process in hand skill: measurement. This is the process that is used for measurement of the wood with the help of any instrument. Chisel and chiseling process. A chisel is a tool that is used for removing the material. This process is known as chiseling. Saw and sawing. Saw is a tool that is used to cut the wood. This process is called sawing. Hand router. This is the tool that uses for removing the wood with the help of straight rotating tool. Hand router. This is the tool that uses for removing power tools: 1 hand router, 2 electric planer, 3 circular saw, 4 miter saw, 5 hand drill, 6 edge router, 7 oscillating saw, 8 jigsaw etc. Circular saw. This is a power tool that is used for cutting the wood with the help of automatic circular blade. Jigsaw. This is a power tool that is used for making design or cutting the wood with the help of straight blade. Chainsaw. This is the power tool that cut the wood with the help of a circulating chain that has sharp blade or teeth. Hand drill. This is the tool that uses for making the holes or tightening the screws. Hand router. This is the tool that uses for removing the wood with the help of straight rotating tool.